Very good evening, friends, and in this video we are going to install and download the Anaconda framework, which is the most vital and the very successful, or you can say the very famous framework for Python libraries and the Jupyter notebook. So the first you visit to the anaconda.com, and then you will find that this is what it offers, its products and the licensing and the various other credentials there, what it matters and how it matters, how you can use them. Everything is there, and the proper policy and the experiences, how you can function along with the little tiny tutorials, and the pricing detail is all available on this one. Now, if you click on the pricing, you will find that it has three varieties. One come the individual edition, which is free, and then another comes with a startup, like those who are working in a team for industrial and production processes. The team edition, their charge is $10,000, and for the enterprises edition you have to talk to them, because what particular kind of package and all these things you want. But since this is our learning tutorial, so we will be going for free version, and that is individual edition. So first, there's nothing great about that. It's just like the other software installations. First you have to download it, and then you have to start working on them. So when you click on this, then you'll go down to the bottom, and then you will find that individual editions you can select, and then you can go, and just like the normal software, this is the download button which you can download from there, and these are the various other detailings and explanations about what possibly it can do, all are there. Now you just click on the download button, and then you can download it easily first. Now, how after download and installations, how the Conda or Anaconda framework looks like, what it offers, all this we are going to discuss here. So you will find that now after installation, you will see that it has different features, the environment, and some packages which are installed. Some are yet to be installed, some are updated. Now if you see the framework, you have got the CMD, and then you can see other kind of softwares available there. So launch, this is lab, Jupyter is there, then you have Visual Studio Code. You can also work with this PyCharm. These are the environment features, and this is the software which I have already installed, and this is update index. If you click on this, whatever the new versions for those particular packages, if they have come, then it will automatically guide. It's just so easy that anyone can do. It's not a very difficult thing to do, and since you are into the machine learning or the data science tutorial, and I'm pretty sure that you must have the adequate exposure to the computers and the softwares, so this will not be a very difficult task for you. So this is how you can just check out the environment, and you can, whatever suits your requirement, that kind of framework you can start. Since we are going with you can do it with VS Code is also getting popular these days. Now you can have the PyCharm, where I do most of things, but now I want to go for the Jupyter notebook, because that is creating a great buzz, and it's very powerful, and it's dynamic also runtime, and this works in the web browser, so that you can very easily install it. Now I just go on the Jupyter, and I launch my first Jupyter notebook. So now it's starting, and then you will find this will take me to the browser, and there on the browser you can select your favorite browser, whatever, Google, Firefox, or Safari, whatever you prefer. There's no problem with that. Now here, when you reach to the Jupyter notebook, now you see it is hosted on the local host 8888, and this is the tree structure. So first let me provide some title to it. So this is untitled right now. Let me provide it a name. So I'll call it my first notebook. So this is my first notebook. Oh, it's not bull. So let me correct it. It's notebook. Yes, and these are the cells where you can write the codes. And just like other tutorials, I'm not going to explain more because just keep on working with this. Slowly, slowly, you learn how this all works. So first, I just want to check whether the Python is running properly or not. So first, I write print I love Python. Let's see. So let me just magnify so that you can see it nicely. Now here it goes, and yeah, this much is I think better. It's showing in the red text, so that also enhances readability. So I love Python, then you click on the run. So this you see that this is running. So I love Python, it has been printed. Now just to make it sure, let's see, write some more Python, normal Python code. So for I in range 10, and then I'll write print. This all you have studied in the Python code. If you not, then you can see my previous video where I have put the Python tutorial playlist, and there I have worked in PyCharm IDE. But here also the syntax and semantics all remain same. Only the IDE changes. So Jupyter notebook is good, and then I write plus str, just typecasting the integer value to the string value. So typecasting str21 and append it to my Jupyter. Now let me run this one, and then there you see it works. So this is how, my friends, is installed. In the next video we'll talk more about how you can do magnificent work with the Jupyter notebook. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and be good.